Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and in this left section let's scroll down until you will find the battery and device care option. Let's tap on it. As you can see, on the fourth position we've got device protection, so let's enter and simply tap on turn on. As you can see, we've got the info that no threats has been found, but let's tap on scan tablet. And your device will right now scan itself, so it will scan all apps which are currently installed on this device in order to find any malware, any viruses, any actually problems which your device can have. And then after scanning, it will show you if you've got any problems. It will list all of them. So be patient, of course. It can take a while until your device will finish the scanning. Okay, and as you can see, we've got the info down that no threats has been found even after scanning the whole tablet, which is of course good. But if in your case your device found something, then it will list it. Right here it will show you and you will be able to get rid of any problems. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.